Edexcel, May 2022, predicted paper, question 9, hidden Pythagoras. Question 9. ABCDE is a pentagon. Work out the area of ABCDE. Well, to be honest, I don't have a hope of working out the area of that question in one go. So what I'll do, I'll try and see if I can see some different shapes that maybe I could make some areas of. We could split it down the middle there, but trapeziums are never my favourite things. So I'd be tempted to think, at least I could work out the area of this rectangle. Let's call this area A. Area A, it's 4 high, it's 8 wide, 8 times 4 is 32. I've got a mark. We move on now to area B. Back a few years and I'm thinking, how do I work out the area of a triangle? Well, half the base times the height. But that's a bit of a pain because I don't have the height of the triangle. But what I do have, and the examiner loves to do this, is I've got a hidden right-angled triangle here or here. I know the width of this triangle, whole thing's 8, half 8, 4. And I teach Pythagoras in a very strange way. I always like to think Pythagoras likes to get to the root of the problem. Always the big number first, then the small number. He was a very clever chap. He's a bit of a square. Very similar to the a squared equals b squared plus c squared technique that you may have learnt. I just now have an important decision. Is this a positive or is it negative? I'm not working out the length of the hypotenuse, so this one's a minus. Little bit of mental arithmetic. 5 squared, 25, minus 4 squared, 16. 25 minus 16, square root of 9. What times what is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. Let's call this area B. The area of this triangle is half of the base, half of 4, times the vertical height of 3. Half of 4 is 2, 2 3s are 6. Don't forget area C. Some of you may have spotted you could have just done half of 8 times 3. That would have worked just as nicely. The area of C, half the base, times the vertical height. Oh, it's the same sum. It's an answer of 6. And to get the total area of the whole shape, we just need to add them all together. 32 add 6 is 38. Add 6, 44. Double checking, it does say centimetres squared on the dotted line, so we've got full marks for that question.